students, this is the worksheets that I have for the figure of speech. Now students, first of all understand why we use figure of speech. Usually it is for the poetries. Okay, when you write the poetries, we usually we use these types of figure of speech. So that's why we are studying. Okay, so you can also study, you can also put in the other this thing in the stories as well as other lessons also, but usually for the poetry, and that's why we have to understand and we have to give the correct answers for that. Now in this worksheet I have the answers given for you, okay, so that if you do not understand, you can see the answer and understand it better. Okay, I was full after eating the mild half ice cream cone. First, don't see the answer. First, try to understand whether you are able to give the answer. If you are not able to give the answer, see the answer and understand why it is the correct answer. I was full after eating the mile high ice cream cone. It is the hyperbole, extreme exaggeration. Okay, like you must eat like a bird to be as small as you are. Simile, because they have compared the two things. The fire swallowed the house before the firefighters arrived. Personification, human qualities are given. Swallowing, we'll never make it in the if in this dinosaur you call a car. Metaphor, comparison, the stars winked at me as I searched for the constellations. Personification, human quality, winking. Her smile was a smile wide when she saw her new computer. Hyperbole, why it is hyperbole? Why is it exaggerated? Okay, smile cannot be so wide, mile wide. Okay, so we have to first use our like we should know what are the figure of speech that we have. Okay, and then read the sentences and understand what it is. So hyperbole, simile, personification, metaphor, and these are uh, most of these are usually we have this only coming. You also will have alliteration, antithesis. These are used more than the others. So try to understand, will be from this only. And the other figure of speech will be there, like you will have irony and these type of figure of speech, they come more. But usually hyperbole, simile, personification, metaphor, antithesis, alliteration, onomatopoeia, these are some of the things that they usually put in the sentences. Okay, so this is all for the worksheet. Understand the question, understand the sentence, answer them, and if you get the correct answer, just see the answer later on. Okay, so this is all I have for the worksheet for figure of speech. I'll do more with you, okay, next time. Thank you so much for your time. You can like and subscribe to my channel also. Thank you.